just så. Nu är det typiskt. Alltså nu är det typiskt. Well, hello guys and welcome to Finland. Happy Eastern, glad påsk, hyvät posket. This is the fourth video of this home-built wood splitter of mine. As you saw in the last video, I did test this out and it kind of worked, but I discovered minor issues with it. So now I have had a little time with it, so yeah, I did turn this 90 degrees, so now the lever works like this. Then we had some problems here, but that's fixed. But the one upgrade what I have done, I have made like push plates here along the sides. So they are moving along with this push plate. And they have like I can't explain that in English, but it will basically help the firewood to go up. And then I have added this flat bar here in the middle. I don't know, but if it could work to put another flat bar on each side, but that's for the future to test. Yeah, so that's basically it. But now I have built this. I made it of these 30 by 30 millimeter box tubing. So basically I want the firewood to rinse itself, and I don't know why they are calling these grizzly bars, but is it so? You have to tell me in the comments. When they have cabins in the woods, they are protecting their doors and windows with grizzly bars like this, so the grizzly bears won't go inside. Is it so? Please tell me in the comments. I don't know. Yeah, and this is also adjustable, this table, but it's not ready yet. But I will test this out now and take it outside, and we will see if it works. Guys, I want to leave you a cliffhanger. I have ordered some stuff to improve the hydraulics on this tractor. So stay tuned on the channel and you will see what I'm going to do with this. The shorter one is living his own life. It's not optimal to split wood like this, all rotted through birch and stuff from the forest, so this machine would definitely work better with fresh birch. Okay, this was it for today. It's late in the evening. It works really fine, but there's minor issues still that bothers, but eventually we are gonna figure out everything. It would be better if the whole table here were grizzly bars the whole way, but that's a little bit hard to do now. Let's see in the future what I'm going to do here, but still, even if the grizzly bars here in the end are pretty short, just 70 centimeters, it's still doing a good job, as you see here. So that's what we are talking about here. We don't want this stuff in our pan, frying pan, no. Wood stove, I mean. But yeah, otherwise, one big issue here is these pipes that comes here in both sides. They are creating a tight space. So if you are putting 2 logs or a really big one, big piece here, then the outer firewoods, they will go there and it will jam up, and that's pushing against the wedge, as you see there. It is like crooked now, so I definitely need to remove this piece here on both sides. Then I think it's more possible to do big pieces like that, and 2 in a row, or maybe 3. So this is what's causing the wedge to go sideways. Yeah, we can see both side wedges, they are crooked inwards. Yeah, we have been testing out different setups. Here we are parked at a slightly hill here, as you see. Currently the table is straight, and that's working great, but we haven't really tested to be on flat ground to have it upwards, but I can tell you that already that it definitely needs to be really straight wood if that's gonna work. And that's also a question, should I try this bonnet sheet on this thing once again? This flat bar works really great, but I don't know if I would benefit of to put another here and another there. Tell me what you think. But all in all, this is much faster than the old. So here's the old firewood splitter with the lifting table. Yeah, so that's working, but it's way slower to work with this machine than the new one. So, yeah. Man, the fuel here, tractor fuel for farm use, it's around €2 per liter now. And normally the last years it has been 130 or 120. So it's really expensive times we are living now. And I have heard in many different videos that the fuel prices has risen. And there's nothing we can do about that. Just vad heter det? Jag vet inte vad det heter. But yeah, happy birthday to all that has birthdays tomorrow. But happy Easter now, and I will see you in the next video. Maybe I will continue with the chain mulcher that everybody is waiting for, and me too. I haven't really had time with that in lately. See you in the next video. Goodbye.